tua ma le au nanga mo tau sa mo service station nei tona I matu. Ma tau te utuina lo ta vale ma le tele o nisi o matu au nanga ese ese. Ai le ngata foi le ma tau te sia ke ina fo ilo ta vale. Siapa lah yang voice wow, mau lah ucapan. Apa itu yang baik pak ulusa? Awalnya telepon, matu tu siapa lah yang voice mau lah ucapan. Mulu no posilah dia, mua, tapi lah ucapan le peaut. Mua, tapi lah telefon ni time me utu ina lah ucapan. Mana baik nggak mulu. Mana tua fu, matua I fasa ina, lo tau maktapa ai no fuanga pa pe. Hotta Samoa, ole motta mo Samoa. Mado te fia au na pe mo o Samoa. Maftaila fia mai. We'll see you again. God bless.
Telephone voucher is one of the most convenient ways that I'm finding now to do my shopping here at Farmer Joe, and my sister just sent through the voucher on my cell phone, and I just come straight to Farmer Joe to do my shopping.
Ole si tulanga pitusili ole tau. Ole la fo me ole pa tala olo. Ona fa nga le fa tau I olo e nga mo ainga.
I think it's really convenient for families overseas if they don't know how to help their families here. Then this is the perfect way.
Mai ele sa no fu tau ele sia sa.
Le fia foi sa we mo mawina le foi au nang fo ala mai le talo for voucher. Ila wana fa tau ma me te mga oi. Ile voucher.
Sai mo le talo pa voucher. Ua mau ele apusu se wa fine. So para loa fa ngo fie. A me se le fel wa I mala telefoni. Tai mi uma. Ai lo la fo merkes ona ino do tama ore ainga.
Pa te tu la vole tal for voucher mo le foi au nang fo pa tai. Ma lu la le tam pai.
Pa tai talo pa voucher. Teki talo pa voucher.
Talawhalawa everyone, malore so for mau malangi e mama, and a warm Pacific greetings to all of our beautiful viewers today. Claudia, we do have some breaking news today.
So there has been a COVID-19 case identified in the city of Auckland, which is where we are right now. There is currently no known link between the border or MIQ facility. So the New Zealand PM is on her way to Wellington for an urgent cabinet meeting at 4:30.
Look, there is a public announcement that will be made at 6 p.m. So please be mindful of the information that don't share fake news. The last thing we want is information coming through from different kinds of sources, and I've kind of withheld myself from trying to post up something. So please don't forget social distancing and wearing a mask in public has been advised by the Ministry of Health, and with Asiata coming through straight after our our show, he will update you, and we will keep Blue TV updated with the latest here in Auckland.
Yes, but in the meantime, guys, just to really reiterate, wash your hands, sneeze into the crook of your elbow, practice social distancing. Please don't rush to the store to buy toilet paper because there is no shortage and everything will be just fine. So no panic, no stress. We are in the beautiful country of New Zealand and we're all in this together. So, just relax, stay calm, and we got this.
We got this.
Just like the All Blacks got the Bledisloe Cup on Saturday night.
We got this. Look, before we head into our show, we do want to say a massive whawhetau lava to our sponsors, Elima Whaingangalo, our awesome sponsors who continue to show love and support for our Blue TV podcasts, or our Pacific podcasts, bringing you the latest, bringing you updates from our beloved Samoa and around the Pacific. And let's not forget sharing the journeys of our Pacific here in New Zealand. A massive whawhetau lava to Whaimalo Alan Stowers of Pacific Easy. If you need to send any money overseas to Samoa to your loved one, don't forget you can send it through Pacific Easy, the secure and safe way to help mum, dad, your extended family in Samoa. And wait, there's more. If you do send via Pacific Easy, don't forget you are also helping and injecting these funds back into our economy in Samoa. And not forgetting Pacific Easy. The beautiful Whalute. She has got a give back to her customers. That's a promotion that's happening currently at the moment. The same thing, if you use these vouchers and these services to send that a little bit of love back to Samoa with Pacific 40, you are injecting back into the smaller business in remote areas. What does this mean for our people of Samoa? It means the small businesses get that extra cash flow that a beer gets. So that's awesome. And the way that Whalute has come up with a solution to help our people, big ups to the beautiful Miss Samoa, right?
I love that. And just listening to you talk about especially Samoa, I thought today, why not tell me a little bit more about Samoa? Because I have not had the privilege or honor to go to Samoa just yet. So, the borders are still closed. But as soon as they open up, we are going to fly over. But if you could tell me a little bit of what it's like, just so I can prepare myself, because I'm so excited.
Look, I know, and it is so important that we inject these kind of funds back home. And I sit here and I just think about the moment that you reach your destination in Samoa. It just takes your breath away. The beautiful paradise of Samoa. When you arrive, goodness.
Tell me, what am I seeing? What am I smelling? What am I feeling?
Oh man, you are feeling
it all.
So much love. We've got a few photos here that we will show as well. And don't forget, if you are missing Samoa, if you want to treat someone in Samoa, anywhere in New Zealand, Australia, America, send a little bit of love, because treat your family in Samoa. So why not? That's what we're all about, giving back to our community. Here's some photos, because I'm so in love and I miss Samoa. The same way I'm in love with my belly, that is the same love that I have for Samoa. So this is actually a photo of how they will welcome you.
I was going to say, do I get like a special performance as well when I land at the airport?
You will, Claudia. Check that out.
Blue TV hosts.
This is actually a throwback from an event that happened in Samoa, where our boys who, artists from New Zealand have head over to Samoa, and check out how amazing our people are, and they've just welcome them with open arms. And look at that. There's muscly guys over there.
Now, there's a lot more to see in that picture.
There is a lot more to see in Samoa. So let's go. If you are watching and you're thinking, what can you do for your ainga in Samoa? Look at that.
Wow.
To touch those,
oh my God.
Oh my goodness, to see that scene again. To feel that. Oh my goodness.
I'm looking at this photo and I can just imagine the warmth on my skin, the crisp fresh breath of air just flying through my hair while I'm sitting on the back of a truck.
Back of a 4-wheel drive, the wind going through your hair, and it's amazing. Look, and you can actually help fuel your family in Samoa with a talofa voucher, or simply send a little bit of transfer there with Pacific Easy. I know, how beautiful is Samoa?
That is absolutely stunning.
And a massive shout out to Samoa Tourism Authority for these beautiful photos. They've captured every there's no words. I cannot even explain right now how much I miss Samoa.
Oh my gosh.
Look at how
that guy sitting there is probably one of the most luckiest guys alive
right now. Yes. And again, look, I cannot express to our ainga here in New Zealand, Australia, treat someone while you can now, because once it gets busy, once the borders open, we're not too sure when that will be.
Yeah.
But once those borders open, I want to ngalo what Mum and Dad did for you, what your family did for you. You know, we would normally enjoy the whale or like that on the side of the beach and just kick back, relax with family, laugh, and just, it's really beautiful, Claudia. I can't wait to take you over.
That water just looks so inviting.
It is. And
oh my gosh.
That is the life in Samoa.
So remind me about this pose so I can do it on a tree when I fly over to Samoa.
You know, and just when you're driving through to head out to a Pea, my goodness, this is it. This is life. And when you're driving through and you see all of our villages putting up on the side of the road, fresh produce from Samoa, from their backyard, just like this. Like, look at, this is a photo actually.
I love these smiley
in Savai,
faces.
the kids. But this is what you can expect in Samoa.
Is that Taro?
Young entrepreneurs, just like this. And look, send a little love to Samoa. Look at these. They're probably waiting for their ice pop.
Save me an ice pop. That's what I like,
is ice pop. That's what I miss, is the ice pop. The kalo and the way that they're sitting there just...
So how do you cook taro?
Oh, omu. The best way is omu.
Yeah.
And then, you know what? And then you have the coconut cream drizzled all over the kalo. Oh. And this is a Pea, obviously. That's what I miss. I miss Samoa so much. Fresh fruits, right there.
What is it? Is that mango? Oh, yum.
Absolutely, I'm missing Samoa so much. I don't know how else to...
Is it pawpaw?
Yeah.
Pawpaw's good, especially on a hot summer's day. I just imagine like going for a swim, coming back out, your hair's like all like salty from the seawater. You're thirsty because it's hot. You just grab a fresh pawpaw, crack it open with your hands, shove it in your mouth.
This is a omu.
Oh, God.
Check this out. Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Don't forget, you can still send any kind of assistance back home to Samoa. Let our families and friends back in Samoa enjoy that luxury that we miss so much here in New Zealand, Australia, overseas in America, because I know that once the borders are open, that's it. It's all over. But that's what I miss. I miss that.
So Georgie actually says, can you both send me to Samoa to give back to the community through Pacific 40, or is it only money transfer? You know what? That is a very good question. I'm going to ask, because I want to be transferred myself.
Georgie, thank you so much for tuning in. A massive shout out to, who do we have here? Mele Fa'awi. Thank you so much for tuning in. But yes, if you do want to enjoy Samoa, send us a photo. If you are tuning in from the beautiful island of Samoa or Tonga or Niue, anywhere in the Pacific, please send us that photo, and we would love to share it with the world. And we want to share what we're missing out on.
Yep.
I'm missing out on a lot.
Our big boss here at Blue Wave has just messaged saying, can someone please feed Claudia because she's hungry? And yes, I am. After seeing all those photos, I want to go to Samoa and eat me a nice big juicy pawpaw or mango or coconut. Oh my God, can you imagine fresh cold coconut on the beach?
Every single day.
I'm getting so excited.
I dream about Samoa every day.
I'm dreaming about Samoa right now, and I've never been.
And you know what? And it's simple. We've got the solutions here for all of our families overseas.
I am so excited. And do you know what? For all you ladies out there, and I know I think about this as well, especially when you're swimming and you can't wear makeup and your eyelashes might disappear a little bit. We have the perfect guest on the show today.
Yes,
we have
we do.
Veronica from Lavikas Lash House, and she is a specialist lash technician, and she makes you look so perfect.
I can't wait because I need to upgrade my lashes for when we head over to Samoa. But continue to tune in because we're going to be talking a little bit about the locations that we're looking forward to taking you right after this break and every day moving forward.
Send photos because I want to feel like I'm in Samoa because right now it's raining and it's cold in Auckland. And all I want to do is just be on the island of Samoa with my coconut in my one left hand, my pawpaw on my right, and my taro in the front, lying on a tree.
Lying on the tree,
After
lying
a
on
nice
faleo. Like, how good is life in
Feeling the
Samoa?
heat on my body. Flower in my ear. Which one's a single ear? This one.
Flower in your ears. I put it on the
This
side.
one.
Look,
Please.
everyone, if you are tuning in, and if you're here in New Zealand or Australia, and you have those throwback photos, send them through #BeautifulSamoa, and we will share it here on the show every single day until the borders open. That's it. Location. Stay tuned,
And
guys.
it's game over.
It's game over. We're going to get our lashes done straight after this.
See you soon.
Tau tua ma le au nanga le mo tau Samoa service station nei tona I matu. Ma tau teu tuina lo ta vale ma le tele o nisi o matu au nanga I se ese. Ai le ngata foi le ma tau te sia ke ina fo I lo ta vale. Siapa lah yang voice wow mau lau tapan. Afai foi vai pa o sa. Awala te pon ma tu te siapa lah yang foi e mau lau tapan. Molo no posila fia. Mua tape lau ta vale pe out. Rua tape lau telefoni tai me utu ina lau ta vale. Male vaenga mulu. Mana tua fo e matua I whasaina lo tau makitapa ai no fuanga whapengi. Mata Samoa, ore mata mo Samoa. Mata te fia e au auna pea mo o Samoa. Maftaile fia mai. We'll see you again. God bless.
BluTable voucher is one of the most convenient ways that I'm finding now to do my shopping here at Farmer Joe, and my sister just sent through the voucher on my cell phone, and I just come straight here to Farmer Joe to do my shopping.
O le si tūranga pitusili o le tāua. O le lafo me o le pepa tala o loa. O na whaanga le whaatau i o loa e au ngā mo le ainga.
I think it's really convenient for families overseas if they don't know how to help their families here. Then this is the perfect way.
Mai ai le sa sunga fua tau e le sia sa.
Le fia foi sa we mo mawina le foi au nga fo e ala mai le talo for voucher. Le wana whaatau ma me te mga oi ile voucher.
Tai mo le talo pa voucher ua maua le apususi o se wa fine. So se paro loa whaingo fie, a me se le te whelua i mana o telefoni.
I love it, everyone. Yes, no, we didn't forget that you were there. Welcome back, guys. And yes, just a little update that there has been a COVID-19 case identified in the city of Auckland, but not to panic. They are currently meeting urgently in Cabinet today at 4:30, and there's going to be a public announcement made at 6 p.m. But like I said, don't stress, just stay calm. And if we go into lockdown, we're all going to be in this together. So, you know, in the meantime, we have the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Veronica with the most amazing eyelashes. I don't know if the producer can zoom in on the eyelashes, but
No, don't. You're like, oh, there we go. There we go.
But she is the founder and owner of Lavikas Lash House, and it's been very, very successful. And I must say that your business has definitely done a very big growth in this year, and I think that's absolutely fantastic. But before we get into those details, tell us a little bit about yourself and what Lavikas Lash House is.
Okay, so hello, I am Veronica. I'm a single mom of 6, and yes, I started a Lavikas Lash House 4 years ago. Prior to that, I was a full-time working mum, and I just wanted to do something where I could spend more time with my children. And this was the wrong way to go, but I wanted to spend time with my children because, it's actually done the opposite. But, I don't regret it at all. Lavikas is all about women, sisterhood, feeling your best, and just sharing each other's load. So, we're all about women empowerment and financial independence. And, and it's amazing because you did all of this. You built such a successful business while being a single mother to 6 kids. Like, guys, for everyone that's sitting there that's saying, oh, I really want to do this or want to do this, and you put up so many excuses up for yourselves. No excuses. This lady has built a very successful business being a single mom to 6 kids.
Children.
6, yeah.
And here I am struggling with my 3, my little measly 3, and I'm sitting here 6, and I'm how do
no.
I know, like, how is it that you still manage to look great? How do you cope with single mom, 6 kids?
I just have a really good team around me. Prior to that, I was trying to be a one-man band and failed miserably at it. And I just realized along my journey that the load has to be shared. If not, I wouldn't be able to manage without them.
I'm so sorry. I'm going to get you to repeat that again. I really feel that it's important to share that message again because you just said that it's important to share the load.
Yeah, it is very important. It's very important to share the load and just let go. And, I had to realize along the way that there are things that I'm not so great at. And, it's a matter of finding people that you trust on your team that are actually better at it than you. So, it's very important, especially for your, well-being and all that, to share the load.
I love that because it really takes a strong individual and a strong woman to be able to be completely honest and say I'm not the best at everything.
Yeah.
But I can definitely say that you're the best at doing eyelashes because you're talking and I can't stop staring at your lashes.
Oh, thank you.
What got you interested in doing lashes?
I was always in the beauty industry. Like I've always been interested in beauty, and I'm a natural creative. And yeah, I think I was one of the first people I knew like 10 years ago to get eyelash extensions, and then it got popular, and yeah, I got them done all over Auckland, and I got them done by the good, the bad, and the terrible. So
the bad and the terrible.
yeah, so
All of the above.
yeah, so it was quite. I was just fascinated with it and the art of lashes, and yeah, I just researched it for about a year before I actually jumped into it. And
I love that. And what do you think it is that differentiates Lavikas Lash House to all the other lash artists in Auckland?
what differentiates us? We're just real. Like we are who we are, and we're a team. Most lash places are solo.
Yeah.
Lash techs from home, and we're all about sisterhood, women empowerment, just sharing, and yeah, we're just different. Even the way we're set up, like we're not your typical lash salon setup, because then it's normally you're used to walking in and it's like a little room, little beauty room. Whereas us, we're like more of like a barber shop style.
Oh, yeah.
So we have all our chairs all lined up next to each other, and there's just banter and
Oh, my God.
yeah, it's a safe space. It's a safe space in there. You can talk about anything. You can choose to be quiet. You can choose to go to sleep. But it's just open conversation in there.
I love that. I feel like BluTV need to relocate for like a one session over at Lavikas Lash House.
Yeah.
So are you telling me that you have, is it just Pacific Island women that come through?
No, there is women from all
other-
cultures, but because we're located in South Auckland, we tend to attract a lot of our Pacific Island sisters.
Must be loud.
Yeah, it's loud.
It'll be fun for sure, though.
Definitely fun. Yeah.
You must hear some really, do you find a lot of our Pacifica women just come in and just be like, oh man, my children, like really find a place to kind of get your lashes done, feel good, and then be like, oh my goodness, so my son did this, because a lot of the time it's about our kids and how, because we don't really find a place that you can kind of vent. Because a lot of the time when you're doing the nails, like, recoat. Recoat.
Lights.
And I'm like, and you can't have that conversation. So to be able to go to a place to have the conversation, how is that though? That experience with our Pacifica people?
Yeah, it's we hear everything.
By everything, she means everything.
Yeah.
The hyena laugh.
The hyena laughs and everything. But like I said, it's a safe space, and a lot of women, that's their time out. We do get like a lot of solo mums, or mums of a lot of children, and it's just their 1 hour or an hour and a half of their week for themselves. So even they don't have to talk. Like they can just quietly pretend to go to sleep or listen.
I love that.
And it's not for the faint-hearted or the easily offended in there. So because it does get crazy with our convos, but it's all about sharing and sharing experiences, and like we all draw strength from each other. I know I definitely draw strength from my clients when I'm having a bad day or I'm going through something personal. I'll have a client who'll come in and maybe she'll lighten up my day with whatever silly thing that happened to her that morning, and it's vice versa as well with our clients.
I love that. And you know what? For those of you that might be like, I actually recognize Veronica from somewhere. Her business has been so successful that it's actually attracted the likes of Judith Collins, who actually came over to her lash house
that was cool.
and interviewed her with a whole entire camera crew and everything. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, Judith's visit was it was really awesome. That was the first time I met Judith, and she's completely different from what we see or is portrayed on the media.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. And for those of you that don't know who Judith Collins, although I think you should, she is the leader of the opposition, so of the National Party.
Yeah, and she was just genuinely, she came to interview me because of my story, because I'm a single mum of 6 and I run a small business, and that I chose to, you know, take ownership of my life. And that was the angle that, you know, she came on. And I was, you know, anything to empower and inspire anybody, I take on board. And she was warm, lovely. She even cried at one point. You know, she hugged me and she had a bit of a quiet cry, and said I reminded her of her grandmother, who was a single mum of 8.
Wow.
Yeah. So she was just she was inspired, and you know, she gave me some really, really solid advice that I have taken on board, and
That's amazing.
You know, and I love that. And I love that, you know, and look, we work here on Blue, you know, whatever party you are, it's not about what party you pick or where your votes are going. It is about our people.
Yeah, it is about
And I
our
love
people.
that she's come through, connected with you on that level, and helps. Because I would love to meet Judith one day.
She's
but
lovely.
to be able to talk on that level with the National Party leader.
National Party leader. Yeah. So I was honoured. Like straight away, I had a family funeral to go to that evening, and I was sitting there going, Mum, guess what? She's like, what? And I showed her my phone. It was like my selfie with Judith, and she was like, oh, wow. And I was like, yeah, that's a cool thing that happened to me today. But I mean, just even like her meeting me and talking to me, businesswoman to businesswoman, you know, that was just a big, I just felt very, very honoured. That, you know, she even engaged with me on that level, and, you know, just the advice the real solid advice she had given me. And it's just, regardless what political party you're affiliated with, when you have somebody of such a high calibre come through to like a Tongan girl in South Auckland in her little shop, you know, it is a big thing. So
Talk to us a little bit about your Tongan community, because it must be, I mean, you now own a business. I'm not too sure, you know, how it is with culture and how that ties in with, you know, your business. But I know with the Samoan businesses, you know, sometimes they think that just because we own a business, that automatically there's the money. You know, we rain money all of a sudden. How does culture clash with the eyelash and all that kind of stuff? How does culture play in with your business?
Culture, I mean, with me personally, I do use my Tongan culture, like our values, our core, you know, values of, we call them the golden pillars of society. I do implement that in my business, like, you know, values of respect, humility, tauhiwa, which is keeping warm ties, maintaining relationships. Like, I implement that in my business. I feel like that's very important, and that's also a point of difference, I guess, from other lash houses. And in terms of family and money,
sorry, did I just give you anxiety attack?
I'm still broke, guys.
Don't
ask me for a loan. But I mean, you know, there's, you know, it's always the odd cousin that wants a discount or a freebie, but I do remind them with love that, you know, this is a small business, and to support means giving your full support, and that means no family discounts. So
and because you do such a good job with these lashes as well, we've actually got some photos that we want to show you guys, and we'll have producer Lemo bring them up. But
the girls are stunning. I checked the photos.
They're beautiful.
Man.
Oh my God, yes.
Our recent photo shoot, yes.
Yes. How was that?
Oh, that was awesome. It was just, I think it was like a kind of bit of a 360 moment. Me and a few of my senior lash techs were just sitting back, just watching the photographers and the models do their thing, and we were just like, wow, like.
So here you are, Veronica, and I mean, like, these lashes just look so perfect, but they look natural at the same time.
Yeah, I aim to, because, you know, of our Pasifika woman, you know, like, our men like us to look natural.
I know. So tell us a little bit about, no, really, seriously, sis, talk to us a little bit about the women who come through and, oh, my husband wants it.
Yeah.
How does that happen? Like, how do you talk them? How do they give you like a little bit of?
So it's actually funny because a lot of our Pasifika women, they'll come through and they do ask, like the most circled thing on our questionnaire form is natural. So they all come.
Interesting.
So it's our job as the Lash tech to figure out what natural means to them. So because everybody's
a very
different.
good point. Yeah.
So everybody's different and everybody's version of natural is different. It's just trying to figure out what is.
I think this is natural.
Yeah, but then it's also kind of like you have to please the husband as well because he will bankroll your future business, so future clients. So
and it's funny because I've explained to you before you jumped on that I'm a should I use that term?
Go for it.
I'm not going to use that term. I have never done my lashes.
Yeah.
So
I just realised what term.
I'm not going to use that term, but I've never done my lashes, and I said to my husband, I really want to get my lashes done because I felt like I was, there's more volume, the lash.
Yeah.
But you know what? He said the same thing. He said no.
Yeah, I think it's because a lot of girls do go and get them, and they do look a bit.
Yeah. So is it just depending on where they go? Because
it depends on where they go, and your lash artist should basically customize it to you, and not just give you like a one set fits all set.
Okay.
Yeah.
So because I kind of feel like sometimes, do you know how you have the doll? This is a cool photo.
Yeah, that was a.
Is this your team?
No, that's from our photos. That's me and my models.
I love it because it kind of looks like you have your own entourage.
I wish.
It looks so cool.
I wish I had like
two girls with their hands on your shoulders.
Yeah.
You look like, I almost want to say like, I'm not going to.
Like Cookie? Empire.
I
yes.
love this.
Yeah,
This
and
is awesome.
yeah, I just wanted to represent strength in those photos.
And they all are just so naturally beautiful as well.
Well, our women, our Pasifika women, our queens are naturally beautiful. And it's our job as a lash artist is to bring out what's already there. Yeah.
So how am I going to convince my husband to let me have the lashes? Because he said, why are you getting lashes done? Or why do you need lashes done? Give me some advice on how I can convince that man.
It's like an elevator pitch.
Yeah.
How?
What do I need to say to him to be able to?
Just be like, I'm just gonna get them movie natural. I'm gonna get the most natural set. It's for you, babe, and for me to feel better in my skin.
It's the for you, babe.
It's the for you,
all for you, babe.
It's for you, babe.
Happy wife, happy life.
But we do feel we are so satisfied when our girls do message back and they're like, husband has given it the thumbs up, or husband loves it, and that to us that's more of a compliment than like them liking it.
Yeah. Because I didn't realize that you can perm eyelashes.
Yeah. So we do lash lifts as well.
Lash lift, which is a perm. So don't do a close up. But I have like elephant eyelashes, which go straight down.
I've never heard that term
I've never
before.
heard that term. I've never heard elephant.
Elephant.
Do you know? Have you seen an elephant?
Well,
The eyelashes and how it just goes
I've never
straight down.
heard it be related
Yeah,
to.
Okay.
I've never heard of it.
Well, this could be a new term that you can do to promote elephant eyelashes. So my eyelashes actually kind of like go straight down, like right down, like an elephant. You've never seen an elephant's eyelashes? Okay, so what they do, I think it's Sesame Street. Is it Sesame Street? Sesame Street. I think Sesame Street, they have the elephant and the elephant's eyelashes go right straight.
Yes.
So I've been told that those are my eyelashes. Oh, you've got beautiful eyelashes that go straight down. But now that I know that you can perm them,
Yeah, you can perm them.
like curl them.
They are pretty though. even though they point straight down.
Now this is where you zoom in.
No, don't
They are
zoom in.
pretty.
Yeah, so I kind of just want, because I want it to kind of flick up so that I can see.
So Mele actually says it's not elephant eyelashes, it's a mammoth.
Oh, there you go. Sorry,
Mammoth.
Millie.
Mammoth.
Okay.
Mammoth lashes.
Mammoth Millie.
But Veronica, can you tell us a little bit about maintenance? Because, you know, for all the ladies that are interested in getting lashes done, what is the aftercare?
Okay,
like?
so aftercare is just as important as actually getting your lashes done. So, you know, and it's important because it's your money that you've spent.
Yeah.
So look after them. Like it's like having clothes and washing them when you don't use them.
Yeah.
Anyway, so yeah, it's very important to get the longest retention and the longest wear out of your lashes. Our girls do come in every 2 to 3 weeks for infills, which is to, you know, spruce them up and fill them in, any missing gaps. And yeah, so we do give aftercare instructions to every single girl that comes through on how to properly take care of them. And yeah, it's very important.
Millie that's commented, she's probably one of the ones, she's a regular lash girl.
She knows all about it.
Lash girl.
Lash girl.
Lash girl, Millie. So Millie always like, you know, when she gets her lashes done, she's always like, when a night out, this is probably where the girls fail miserably to take care of their lashes.
Yeah.
She's like, oh my lashes. What can they do? Because let's be honest, our girls get quite excited when they're out and having
How do you know this, Bear?
Because Millie, because sometimes, okay, this is the problem that I have at my house.
How rowdy it gets on a Saturday night.
Because I just know. But the problem that I have been finding lately is I find those extra lashes on my heel, the bottom of my heel. And then when I'm taking my shoes off and then I'm like, stand on lashes. What?
Oh no.
Like
Are you talking about the
Stick-on lashes?
Yeah,
they
but-
fall off in the
Yeah, they
nightclub?
fall off at the nightclub.
Because it's happened to me before.
Yeah. So how? So there's a difference.
Yeah. So that's why it's important. I think actually my admin Annie, she was laughing because she was cleaning up our story highlights yesterday, and a couple of years ago I had put up a story of me wearing the stick-on lashes, and one of them had popped off.
Yeah.
And I was like, this is why you need to come visit me and get extensions so this doesn't happen.
Yeah.
So lash extensions.
I'm sorry, I'm just still looking because they look so real.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful and so natural.
Oh, thank you. We do full lashes, but I think it's my aesthetic has always been like to look like you actually grew them. Even if they're full, even if they're dramatic and long and full, they still look like yours and not look like, you know, something you just stuck on.
Yeah.
So,
Now, do lashes suit every different eye shape? Because I know I've got hooded eyes. I'm just wondering, and this is my free consultation here live. But like, do lashes suit every type of eye shape?
Lashes, you can customize lashes, and a lash, we call it lash mapping. You know, so we will lash map you to suit your particular eye shape, and you know, we do take into account hooded eyes and downturned eyes, the length of your natural lashes, like whether
You
they come
have
down.
terms for the different types of eyes.
we have
This is when
different
you know
curls.
she's a professional.
We have different
Guys.
curls, we have different lengths, with different you know, like weights of the lash, like diameter
Yeah.
lashes. So yeah.
So you wouldn't just suggest our Pasifika women just turn up to any random. You really do. It's you, man.
Yeah, you need to go to a trained professional, somebody who's trained and understands it and is experienced. You know, and they will know what to, you know, do for you and customize to you and make you look pretty, and not just stick, because you can definitely stick the wrong lashes on a girl and it will just you know, make her already sad looking eyes look sadder.
Because
you know what I mean?
I've had that issue with like the fake eyelashes, which I don't use anymore. I think I've tried it on 3 times, but I've tried different shapes and they just don't suit my eye.
Yeah. So you have to understand the eyelash shapes or the map for your eye. So yeah.
That's amazing. Now, Veronica, for those that already want to book in with you, like me,
like me.
where can they find you? How do they make a booking with you?
Okay, so we are on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Find Lavikas Lash House on each platform. You can either send us a DM or we on Facebook and Instagram, there's a book button on those pages where you can actually go online and make the booking yourself, or just DM us and our admin will pick it up. And yeah.
And you are situated in Manukau?
Yeah, Manukau on Lambie Drive, Manukau Business Park. So we are number 18 and we are Lambie Drive, Unit 43.
Yep, and she did make a TikTok on how to find the place.
Oh, that one blew up.
Yeah, it was a great TikTok with her little finger. It was really cool.
It was just like,
This is how you get here.
Yeah, it still boggles my mind how like,
How a Pacific woman cannot follow instructions.
I know, and so we literally had to do a video like this, and
It was amazing.
and it just blew up on TikTok. Like it was like,
If you guys want to know what video we're talking about, head over to her TikTok. That's Lavikas Lash House, Lavikas Lash House.
Look,
And Mele just commented saying, can't wait to start at Lavika.
can't wait to see you.
I think you did a little bit of spelling errors there, but it's all right.
Start at Lavish.
like, do you think I'm still trying to? This is so bad. It's all about beer. So, do you bring any products so you can kind of?
No, I didn't bring any products.
What would you do to my lashes though?
So, are you talking about lash lift or an extension?
Extension. Would you suggest an extension for me?
Yeah, we can give you an extension.
Yeah.
It just we'll have to use a stronger curl or definitely have to be a strong curl to lift your eyes.
I really. I'm looking at our boss.
So I
I'm
want
like,
to
do you want
sparkle in
to?
my eye. Anyways, everyone's like, girls, remember you have to come to work tomorrow. Look, I know we're going to wrap up shortly, but please, I know that everyone's wondering, as a mum of 6, what has been an encouraging message for yourself, or that's something that you can share for our amazing viewers who continue to show love and support daily?
As a mum of 6, just don't stop believing in yourself, and that you do have talent, and that you are great, and that you are able, and also maintain your control. And we push, so we have a saying that says woman empowerment begins with financial independence, and like literally, this business did get me through my hardest times by having that control and having that financial independence. And that's what I like to share to other women, that you guys are queens, and you guys are able and powerful and can do whatever you want. So yeah.
I love that. I feel so inspired, Veronica.
thank
Single
you.
mother of 6 with a growing business.
No.
And I'm like,
No, thank you so much. I've had so much, and everyone's like, I really have had so much, like the knowledge that you have with just something that we don't even kind of like worry. I never worry about mine. I'm like, oh, okay, just because I'm married now, and I'm like, oh, he said no, and that's it.
Yeah.
But you've managed to convince me. I'm gonna get my lashes done.
you know what?
Come on through.
Maybe in a week's time, Bear's going to return back to BluTable Podcast with her lashes.
With the lashes, and be like, guys.
Hi
Fala
guys.
said yes.
Fella said yes, and now I'm gonna put it on the side.
Close up. No.
Just do a close up in my eyes. But did you want to make a shout out to anyone that's kids, family?
Yeah, shout out to my children who's at home. I don't know if they're watching this. I don't think they care. But also to all small businesses, like Claudia mentioned earlier, that we are going, maybe, I don't know, heading into lockdown. So, just hang in there, and we're all in this together.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yes.
We're all in this together. Sorry, this is so bad. We've been doing the singing thing. I don't know where we got it from. All of a sudden, we think we're professional singers.
Because we are. But yes, guys, so they are currently meeting and having a cabinet meeting right now, which started at 4:30.
Yeah.
And we are going to hear that public announcement at 6 p.m. So thank you so much for tuning in today, guys.
We've got some people.
Oh, yes, we do have some
Don't expose me. That's Millie, and social distance start from 6 p.m.
Oh, gosh.
Shout out to Alessio. Yes, well, we've got Alessio, another small business who are helping transform the hearts of so many people here in Auckland. If you are looking for somewhere to make these life-changing, choices, with health, head over and join the 8 weeks challenge with Alessio, and he'll transform your life and make sure that you are there ready for your children, because this is important.
Yeah, it is important.
Life, enjoy life, positive vibes, guys. But a massive whawhete lover to all of our amazing sponsors who continue to show the love and support.
Yeah.
It's all the people that you trust.
Yeah.
And it's rare.
Yeah.
So please head over, support your local businesses.
Support your local, yeah, definitely.
But thank you so much again, guys. Thank you to you, Veronica.
Thank you guys for having us.
No,
of course.
Thank you.
Come back again, or maybe we'll see you at Lavikas Lash House. But thank you guys. Have a wonderful evening, and we will keep you updated here on Blue TV in regards to the lockdown.
God bless you.
Bye.
God bless you.
That's the
Squad, baby. Rex, J. Sands. Oh, say I'm say you are complete to me, Agelio. By the way that you move and the way that you smile. Say, oh my Dorima, baby, you be giving your hand, I'll take you anywhere. You give me something that I never had. Cause you care, but about to me and the family. Say, why you waiting on me to talk to you? Yeah, I'ma listen what y'all say. Yeah, don't move out in the come here. Yeah, they on the layout, oh, dirty wine, girl, dirty wine. Yeah, say, I'm in and not the bite to get out. Say,